I listened to you on the...
The president wants you. Sorry, the president wants you.
Oh, okay. Okay. No problem at all. See you shortly, Mr. Secretary.
You can work that in.
Mr. Secretary, I have to say, it's a first, I'm sure a loss as well, that an interviewee's been pulled away to go to the Situation Room. How was the president? Was he stressed?
No, the president is in great spirits. The Iranian mission is proceeding well ahead of schedule, and I have to tell you, Wolf, that I've a teenager who's considering military service, and I could give this team my highest compliment, from President Trump to the head of the Joint Chiefs.
כטב"מים בשכונה. זה איפה ששרון גר.
محمد برو محمد
یا علی یا حق
سلام بیا سلام علیکم بگی سلام
برو وایسا
دکتر خدا قوت دکتر یک محمد بگیر آقا بگیر خدا قوت محکم بایستی دکتر خدا حیدر شما קולון, פגיעה ישירה, אוטובוס שלם עולה באש, מכוניות, אנשים, אני לא מאמין, 10 מטר מאיתנו יש פה אוטובוס עולה באש.